FX Luminaire has always focused on creating the best outdoor lighting fixtures on the market. We manufacture a wide range of fixtures that vary in how they are manufactured, what materials are used in their construction, and in the design and technologies that are built in. Among the various options available for each fixture, features like material or technology can expand field life and enhance capabilities. To help you determine which fixtures are best suited for your project and budget, we created categories for our fixtures that we call Standard and Designer. In this video, we will explain these two categories and identify the different levels within each category in detail so that you and your customers can make the best decisions for your outdoor lighting projects. The FX Luminaire Standard Series utilizes incandescent or LED retrofit lamps, such as the popular MR16 or G4 lamps. These lamps are easy to install, but are ordered with a specific and fixed output, color temperature, and beam angle. The compact nature of the LED lamps also comes with a 5-year warranty on the lamps. Within the Standard Series, a variety of materials are available depending on the budget and the protection required in the local environment. The base level consists of aluminum, zinc, or in some cases composite. Moving up to the Plus level adds more aluminum options, with some fixtures using mid-grade brass. Ultimately, the premium level utilizes high-quality brass and copper for the highest level of protection from the environment and a premier appearance. The popular package that constitutes our base level in the Standard Series is the RS directional uplight and the SPA pathlight, with an EX transformer to power the system. Upgrade the zinc and aluminum to a mid-grade spun brass at the Plus level, with the CUL uplight, the CWW wall wash, and the CPL pathlights, using a PX transformer to power this upgraded system. Lastly, the premium copper fixtures include the LR uplight, the RL wall wash, the CA pathlight, the MM wall light, a TS downlight, and many more options for every application you need. FX Luminaire recommends that you power the system with the DX transformer. The various levels are designed to help designers quickly find the package that works best for their design. However, any combination of fixtures and transformer will work for your landscape needs. At FX Luminaire, we know that outdoor lighting is an art, and we want to give lighting designers the tools they need to create a masterpiece in every project. The Designer Series gives the control of light directly to the lighting designers. The Designer Series includes integrated LEDs with robust powerboard technology. These fixtures include a global thermal management system, which doubles the LED warranty from the Standard Series to 10 years. Convert the color temperature to one of 4 options with the included filters, and adjust the beam with our specialty beam angle lenses. FX Luminaire didn't stop there with the Designer Series. We also developed the industry's most powerful control system, Luxor ZDC. All Designer Series fixtures are compatible with Luxor, allowing you to zone, dim, and, in most cases, add color to each individual fixture or group of fixtures. Zone fixtures together and then set an intensity and/or color to each group to create lighting themes that you can hand over to the homeowner. This gives you the power to add depth by dimming some fixtures and increasing the intensity of others. Throughout the night, tune the lighting design according to the needs of the homeowner by reducing the intensity of some groups while shutting off others. Luxor ZDC is also the most elegant color system, using RGBW technology to create 30,000 different colors that range from soft, sophisticated colors for relaxation to dramatic colors for holidays, parties, or special events. Similar to the Standard Series, the Designer Series is also divided into 3 levels, depending on the required quality and application. The Designer base level starts with our popular FB directional uplight, the QB wall wash, and the PL pathlight. Elevate your design to the Plus level with the NP, PB, MS, and JB. For the ultimate selection in longevity, control, and capabilities, select the premium level of the Designer Series for copper and brass fixtures like the FR, LC, DM, LF, and the KG. All Designer Series fixtures will operate with our standard transformers, but only the Luxor will unlock the full potential of each fixture. Don't forget to add the ZD or ZDC option to each fixture to confirm compatibility. When purchasing or designing with FX Luminaire, you can ensure you are getting top quality lighting products that will stand up to the test of time and deliver an elegant, polished look to any landscape. At FX Luminaire, we designed our entire product line to focus on the needs of professional lighting designers like you who are looking to wow their clients with every installation. Whether you are using the Standard Series or the Designer Series, FX Luminaire is here to support you with all of your lighting needs. For more information, go to fxl.com.